got to be, it's got to be. And I know nothing happens before it's time. Here I say, nothing new under the sun. So don't you worry, your children, no. Don't you worry, worry. Don't you worry, your children, no. Don't you worry, worry, yeah. When the pressure is on the rise and you feel like just giving up, cause you're feeling misunderstood, like no one ever take the time to know you. Just lift up your head up high and pray to the Most High. Jah will bless you, my children. So don't you ever be afraid to call His name. There I say, what got to be has got to be. And I know nothing happens before it's time, yeah. Here I say, nothing new under the sun. So don't you worry, your children, no. Don't you worry, worry. Don't you worry, your children, no. Don't you worry, worry, yeah.
Matt, how's the surf?
It was small but clean, and there was only 3 of us out, so it was awesome. And I didn't surf for months, so it was loving it. This place is just crazy.
MOKKO went into town, did some business.
Yeah, man.
Businessman, making deals.
Buying new grabber.
See you, man.
Same grabber? Oh, good. You're on the same leaf for a while.
Yeah, I make you some up on the mountain over there yesterday, you know?
Ah. Oh, hey. We just had an awesome surf. Got up real early, went to Longboarder Bar and Grill right here. We are right off the main highway here that goes from Kingston to Morant Bay. If you're heading anywhere east on the island from Kingston, you should definitely stop here. It's incredible food. I've been coming here since it opened a few years back. And yeah, there's awesome waves, surfboards. The guy that owns it's real cool. We'll meet him very quickly. He's busy, but we'll at least say hi. Yeah, just an awesome yard. Got a real private beach. Maybe a cold drink, good food.
Yo, welcome, blessings, enjoy.
All right, I'm gonna give you the quick tour.
Wicked.
Right over here. It's a good spot for beginners because it's a really fun wave. It's kind of stony beach, but it's more like these pebbles, so it's not painful or anything like that. Just a beautiful setup. And the best thing is there's not many crowds at all. There's just 3 of us today. So there are some accommodations that are coming very soon, so you should hit up Peter if you're interested. There's a couple rooms that are going to be available. So not quite done up yet, but they're coming along. And here's a wicked meditation room, Peter's. Just a really awesome place. Right outside of Kingston. So yeah, very appealing. Look at that. Hammocks, coconuts, surf, food, beers. I'll show you the surf break too. It's dropping right now, but I'm just driving over to I'm walking over to the break. Now the swell's dropped. It's picking up again tomorrow, but at least you'll be able to see the shape of the wave. And it's just a nice, long, fun left-hander. Wraps around the point. And yeah, we had a great time this morning, just 3 of us. And Peter's got a farm that he's about to set up, so we're just burning down some brush. He said he had some horses here that have been taking shits for a couple years, so the ground's real good. There's some veggies or some herbs or whatever he's gonna do. You just just walk over to the almond tree up here, and that's usually where you hop in. Yeah, stony beach, but still beautiful, and all the rocks in the water. You're a little careful when you're first stepping out, but they're all smooth, or it's a bit of seaweed. There's no crazy urchins or weird pointy shit. I didn't hit any weird animals. We just hung out with MOKKO and our little crew watching a pelican just do 100 different dives, dive bombing for fish, so that was pretty fun. But yeah, here's the almond tree. Nice and pretty. I don't think it looks like it's fruiting just yet, but all almonds. Yeah, this is the point. So you can see it kind of coming off there, very small. See it gloss this morning. And you can see this whole coast. It's very untouched. So if you want to get away from the tourist stuff in Jamaica, get out in Kingston. Come right here for a wicked meal, barbecue fish, hear some music, get a red stripe, head to MOKKO's after. After that, you're near Portland, so you can do, Reach Falls. You can go up to Boston Bay. There's another surf spot there. Long Bay. There's all kinds of stuff in St. Thomas and Portland on the East Coast. Highly, highly recommended. What do you think of this place, man?
Awesome, man. Really relaxing. Relaxing place, brother. Man, I want chill spot. Come down and come ride the wave, and get the real full engine, see? Yeah, man. This place is a blessed place, man. The man right now, I'm going to plant some ganja and some vegetables. Yeah, man, that's some place, man. Good place to surf, good place to eat and relax and chill out, Yeah, man. This place is a good meditation spot, yeah? Yeah, man. A blessed love.
Don't you worry, don't you worry.